Hi, welcome back again. I'm Mankesh, and in this video, we are going to cover some basic commands of Unix. Let's say what is the use of chown, chgrp, file, com, diff, and sort command. Uh, Let me start with the practical immediately because this is about the first command chown. People are calling it as a chown, but it is not a chown. It's a change owner. So you can change the owner of the files and directory in Unix with the help of this command. So let me go back to my Ubuntu terminal and let's start doing practice on it. So here I have logged in with the root user. You can see it's a hash here. So if I'll use who am I, then I can see I have logged in with the root user. And ls minus lrt, I can see there are multiple groups are here. This is what the owner name of this file. This is what the group name of this file, and in ls command also we learn ls minus l. In first column you can see the file types and permission. Then this is the links, this is the owner name, this is a group name, this is a file size, last modification time, and file name. So I want to change the ownership of this. Instead of Ramesh, I want to give this. I want to change this owner name as a root. So what is the syntax? I will use chown command. Then my new user would be root, and for which file 123.txt. Oh, 123.txt. See, I have used chown command, then new owner name, and this is what the existing file. Let me do ls minus lrt. The name of the owner got changed. Similar way, you can use chgrp command to change this group name. Let me try with the practice. Chgrp. Again, my group name is root, and for the same file, and it is executed successfully. Now you can see the name instead of Ramesh and Ramesh, it got changed as a root and root. So root would be the group name also, and root would be the username. So the chown change owner, you can chown use to change the owner, and chgrp you can use to change the group of the files and directories. Suppose I will tell you how to use chown command to change the owner also and group also. This is a shortcut way. Suppose this is what the xyz.txt file, and I want to change this both name as root or mangesh. So look at my syntax. I will use chown. Mangesh is my username, and double colon I have used. Again, Mangesh I have used, and for the same file 123.txt. Right now, the owner is a root and root. Group is also root. So what will happen? This would be my owner name, and this will be my group name. And with the help of chown command, you can easily change it. Look at this. Look at the output now. ls minus lrt. So in this way also you can easily use the chown command. If I want to change the ownership of all the files, what I will do? So this is what my Mangesh. Okay, I'll give as a root, root for all files and directories. So I'll put star because under this directory, whatever files and directories are there, I want to change the ownership for everyone. Now look at this. For all files, I don't know why it is not got changed because this is a linking file, and that's the reason it is not changed for this. But for all, you have already changed it. Okay, so this is a way you can use chown command, or for individual chown will change the owner name, chgrp will change the group name only. Now let's go ahead and start the practice of file command. But before moving to the file command, I will tell you one more thing because I have logged in with the root user. Suppose I logged in with the normal user. Let me exit. Now let me check. I have logged in with the normal user. My normal user is a Mangesh. Ls minus lrt, I can see owner is a root, and group is also root, but I want to change the owner and group as a Mangesh. So what I will do, chown Mangesh for 123.txt file, but it is throwing some error. Why? Because normal user cannot execute this command. So normal user doesn't have that privilege to execute chown command, chown command. So what I need to do here is I will use sudo first, then I will use chown, then Mangesh, and 123.txt, and it will get changed. It is asking for the user ID, Mangesh user's password. I have entered it. ls minus lrt. Look at this. I have changed the owner and group name. So sudo I need to use if we are not able to execute with the help of directly like this. So for all files, if I want to go, then chown Mangesh, Mangesh, and star. Star means all files from the current folder. In previously, you already used the password. That's the reason this command directly get executed. Here, I already given the password. No? That's the reason it will not ask for, because you are working on same terminal. Let me execute ls manage lrt. Look at this. Then you can see on the screen file command. This is a normal file command. It will tell you the file type, whether it is directory or whether it is a file. Like file, I am giving Mayank. So Mayank, it is a directory. File, let me put 123.txt. So it is an empty file because size you can see now. Then let me go with the backup 1.txt. So file backup 1.txt. So it is showing this is a normal text file. So file command will tell you what kind of file it is. So type of the files, whether it is directory, whether it is empty file, whether it is normal text file, it will automatically show there. Next command is a com and diff. Let's quickly start the practice of com and diff. We will go to the one more folder. It is there, Ramesh. Let me go into that folder with the help of Siri command. ls manage lrt. I'm creating two files over here. In that file, my first file is a 1.txt. In it, I'm putting Mangesh, Ramesh, Ram, Sham. These four lines I have added. Again, cat 2.txt. I'm adding Mangesh, Ramesh, which are the common name in both file. And now I will add some more name like Pooja, Priyanka, and I have done control T. So you can see on the screen, this is what the different attribute in both file. Now what com will do? Com 1.txt, 2.txt. So it will suppress common attribute like Mangesh and Ramesh. Total two Mangesh are there and total two Ramesh are there. So what will happen? Only one Mangesh and one Ramesh will come. Another duplicate value will get suppressed. And let's see what happens with the output. I will show you. So see here, Pooja, Priyanka, Ram, Sham, that different attribute will come down, but the Mangesh and Ramesh come up with only once. Duplicate values got suppressed. Means common values will get suppressed here. And similarly, let me go with the diff command. If command will only show you the different attribute of both file. It will suppress the common first. See. So Mangesh Ramesh will get suppressed because these are the common attribute in both file, but whatever things are different, it is in front of your screen. So in this way, you can use com command and diff command in your production also. So com will show you the common attributes, and it will suppress the duplicate one. And diff command will suppress the common attribute from the both file. So whatever different attribute are there, it will get printed over here. After that, you can see sort command. Sort means ascending order, descending order. It will sort your data in ascending order and descending order. So sort 1.txt. So look at this. This is what the alphabetically sorting has done. And if I want to sort the data in a reverse order, I will use only hyphen r over here. So Sham will come first. Okay. in in this way you can use sort command ls minus lrt. Let me do ls minus lrt. Then I'm giving pipe sort. So it is suppressing. It will come in ascending order. Look at this. For 1.txt will come ahead, 2.txt, then Suresh. If you'll do sort reverse order. So what pipe is doing, pipe output of first commands gives input to the second, and this logic you can use in everywhere in production. So pipe is very important command. It's a very important option in Unix. So we recently covered the sort command. You can use that sort command in file also and outside of file as well, the way I have used in here. Guys, previously we have seen some commands. There is the disk operating system. It's very old operating system. Even I have seen that operating system in 2005 and 4, command-based operating system. And these commands, DOS to Unix and Unix to DOS, were used to transfer files from your DOS operating system to Unix server, Unix operating system to DOS servers. But nowadays there are multiple tools come in the picture. If you are using Windows operating system, so you need to install only this WinSCP tool or a FileZilla tool. FTTP, Flash AXP setup is freely available on Google. With the help of these tools, you can easily transfer files from your Windows machine to your Linux server. And why is it so? Like, why we need to transfer such kind of files to the Windows server? See, guys, if you're working on a production, then that time you need to download some files, log files. That size goes to around 100 MB. It's more than 100 MB sometimes. If it is a more than 100 MB, then obviously we cannot share that file via email, because email size is only 10 MB or 20 MB max. More than 20 MB you cannot send. So that time what you need to do, if you want to share that file with your developer, so check, you both, developer and you both, which common server you can easily access, and upload that 100 MB file on that common server. For that, this will come in the picture. This is what the screenshot of WinSFP, which is already installed. Here you can give the host name, in which host you will upload that file. Then you need to give the path. Once you logged in, then this second screen will get open, and you need to just drag and drop only. So from your Windows machine to Linux server, you can easily drag and drop it. It will upload it. And if you want to download something from the Linux server also, that is possible with the help of these tools. So these are very important tools, and mostly getting used in a production also. So WinSAP, FileZilla, FTTP, and Flash EXP. These tools are available to transfer files from your Windows machine to Linux servers or any Unix server. So in this video, we'll cover only these things. Try the same practice which we covered for the sort command, com command, diff command, and we also learned what is a chown. That is a change owner actually. People are calling it chown. That's the reason I'm also saying chown. But it's a change owner and change group. So try that practice, and in the next video we will cover the very important command, that is a SCP, which is getting used to transfer file from one server to another server. So see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks, guys.